Hey friends, welcome back to Simply. I'm Brandi, and if you love rolled ice cream, you go to the specialty ice cream shops and you think it's so good, well, I'm gonna show you how to make it at home using just 3 ingredients. And the best part is you can customize it just the way you like it. So for this recipe, you only need 3 ingredients. Heavy cream is going to ensure that your ice cream doesn't crack when you roll it. A can of sweetened condensed milk. This hack is brilliant because you don't have to worry about adding sugar to your cream, waiting for it to dissolve. You just need a can of this. And a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. Put it together into a bowl and whisk it together until it's nice and combined. Now just pour your ice cream base into a metal sheet pan. We only want to pour about 1/4 inch to 1/8 of an inch thick of ice cream base. It really should just barely cover your sheet pan. Now it's time to add the mix-ins. First up, cookies and cream. We're gonna crush up our Oreos using these 2 metal spatulas. Whatever cookie you add, you just wanna make sure you crush it up until it's super tiny so that when you're rolling your ice cream, the cookies don't get in the way. All right, this is looking good. Chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream is hands down the best ice cream. So that's what I'm gonna add next. So I'm just gonna put maybe half of this in there, and you wanna crush up some of those chocolate chips, and then evenly spread your chocolate chip cookie dough. For our third flavor, I'm gonna do a strawberry blueberry cheesecake crumble. I'm just gonna toss some strawberries, blueberries, a little bit of cream cheese, and a few cookies and the ice cream base into my blender and mix it up just to make it nice and smooth. And the reason why we don't just add the toppings to the base is because it just gets really clumpy and it doesn't freeze evenly because there's a lot of water content in the fruit. So I really recommend blending it all together and then pouring it directly into your baking sheet. Just coat our pan. Now we're ready to freeze all of our bases. Now before you do this, make sure you've cleared out enough room in your freezers, and we're gonna freeze these 5 hours or overnight. Once your ice cream has frozen solid, now it's time to roll this puppy. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take my spatula and push away from me. See if I can use my other spatula. It's a little curl, it's a little curl. Okay, let's try the other side. Yeah, it's already melting super quick right now. Because if you can get a little roll going, then you can put it in your ice cream bowl. Hey, that's not a bad roll. Okay, I'm gonna throw him in the freezer. He's kind of like a cannoli. He's okay. All right, let's try this third little ribbon. Oh my gosh, it's already melted. It's soup. You know, part of me thinks that really the pros should be doing this, but I'm not gonna give up. This happened a couple times to me when I was testing this for you, and I did some research and I decided to try something using dry ice. Now, when you're working with dry ice, it should be handled so carefully. You always have to use special temperature-safe gloves. So this technique actually got things rolling along. I have a big sheet pan in front of me, a temperature-safe glove, and a bag of dry ice. And these are dry ice pellets. I tested it with dry ice blocks. The pellets help because it's essentially crushed dry ice. I'm gonna push this dry ice to the corners. So I have my baking sheet with my dry ice pellets. I have the baking sheet of my berry cheesecake crumble base. I'm putting it directly on top, and then I'm gonna do the same technique just on top of dry ice. All right, it's too hard to roll on the dry ice. I'm gonna lift it and just wait like 5 seconds, and then we'll try to roll it. For now we're talking. This is our cookies and cream flavor, and I'm loving these curls. It's just cold enough. Oh my gosh, someone hire me at the ice cream shop. Look at that, I'm so excited. Yes. All right, let's pick this up, and I'm gonna put it in my ice cream bowl in the freezer. Let's get some more rolls. Hey, not bad. When you're ready to serve and enjoy your rolled ice cream, you wanna get all your toppings out. For my strawberry blueberry cheesecake crumble, I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of whipped cream, fresh strawberries, blueberries, and 1 animal cookie. For my cookies and cream, maybe a crumbling of Oreo, maybe one whole Oreo, and definitely whipped cream. And for my chocolate chip cookie dough, I'm gonna add a little bit of whipped cream and then some mini chocolate chips and some more chocolate melts. This was so much fun to make. If you are gonna make rolled ice cream at home, I would definitely suggest doing the dry ice technique. It just really helped me be able to roll that ice cream and keep it nice and cold. Ooh, what flavor should I try? I mean, I've been eyeing this since I was rolling it. Ooh, oh wow, the rolls are so fluffy and soft. Something happens when you roll the ice cream, it's almost like marshmallow. Okay, all that hard work totally paid off because this is so good and I didn't have to leave my house to eat it. So I had so much fun making this. I hope you found so much inspiration from this video. Let me know in the comment box below what flavor you end up trying if you make it at home. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and find us on Instagram. I'm Brandi and I am going to enjoy all my hard work by eating the rest of this ice cream. I'll see you next time. Bye.